So we are in the middle of detailing this huge Denali truck. This is a regular customer of ours, so the truck is actually in very good shape. We are going to do a video on the paint enhancement aspect of this truck. It's a big black Denali truck, and we're going to show you the interior because it's really not too bad. So what type of cleaners and protectants can you use on a vehicle like this? We're going to show you a couple of options. Now, these are in no way the best products to use. These are just different options. There's so many in the market. You have so many to choose from depending on your budget and where you are in the world and what you can get your hands on. So let me show you some products that you can get that are extremely efficient. They work really well and they add protection as well. So we have some all-in-one products that are for the interior and then some cleaners that are dedicated for leather, vinyl, and even carpets. Now, as we take a look around, this is no disaster, which is exactly what we want. We either overprice disaster details or we simply reject them because as a detailing business, you don't want them. They are not worth your time. They take way too much time, and usually the customer does not want to spend that much money on them. So they're great for YouTube and showing those satisfying types of videos, but in reality, they are bad for business, at least for us and for many other detailers that I talk to who are true detailers who have a business and not just a YouTube business. So what we're going to do for the interior is clean it up. We don't need to do heavy extracting or steaming because we clean this so regularly. So we don't need to go that extreme. There are some things that definitely need some cleaning, like this. The carpets need a good vacuuming and brushing. And yeah, we can do a damp shampoo, so I'll show you what that means and how to do that. As far as leather goes, again, not completely trash, not really that dirty at all. So for leathers and vinyls, I'm going to use Suds Lab Interior Car Detailer. This is a cleaner, but it also has protection built in. So this is a great all-in-one interior cleaner and protectant. So this can be not diluted necessarily, but I do use it on a damp towel like this one here, and I use a dry towel here. So I'll spray it onto the damp towel, work it into leathers and vinyls, and then use the dry towel or my air compressor to blow everything dry. It'll clean it and leave protection behind. Now, on the other hand, if there are some really nasty parts of the vehicle, whether on the carpets or the leather and vinyl, we'll use another type of cleaner that's a dedicated cleaner. That is this one. This has been a favorite for the past couple of months, Shine Supply's Solution. This is a concentrated product, so I dilute it into these bottles. You can get these bottles and even stickers on Car Supply's warehouse, so go and check those out. You can put those on other 32-ounce bottles. But this is an all-purpose cleaner. It is amazing stuff. It can be used all around the vehicle, inside and out. We're primarily using it to clean portions of the interior that need a little bit of extra cleaning. Now, I'm not going to use the interior protectant on the pedals for obvious reasons. Don't put them on any of these plastics where feet are going to go. You can put it on the steering wheel because it does not create that much of a slipperiness on the steering wheel and other components up here. But don't put them on the pedals. It might be okay, but still, it just could be a liability. So that is just a quick overview of cleaning and protecting the interior of a vehicle that really isn't too bad. These are some great options to choose from. Not the only options, there are hundreds out there. How do you choose? You're basically just going to have to choose ones that are fitting into your budget and that are easy to get, and go from there, because there are going to be some that maybe you don't like as well as others, but that's very subjective. It's kind of personal choice. These two right here I've been using for the past couple of months and really enjoy using them, and these are very easy to get as well. So I will have links to those down below, as well as the brushes and the little cleaning pads and towels, so that you can get the same results. Again, this was not a trashed vehicle. It is a work truck, but it is cleaned regularly. It comes in every few months, and because it's not trashed, we can actually clean this fairly quickly without having to pull out a steamer and extractor, because we just don't need to. It would be completely unnecessary to steam and extract and go overboard on carpets like this that do not need it, and actually not good practice, because you'd be saturating the carpets unnecessarily just to satisfy some sort of a weird thing that people see on YouTube or social media, and they think they have to do that all the time. That's not what true professionals do. They assess and they determine what it needs and then go from there. And we do not do things arbitrarily. So please don't do things just because you see them on YouTube or social media and think that that is the proper way or only way. Real true professional detailers will assess what needs to be done and then go from there. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you guys next time.